backtesting. That's what I've spent this weekend doing. After having a really bloody week from nearly blowing the new 10k accounts that I got to getting into drawdown on the 2k account that I was trading on. That's what I just said to myself. I'm just going to fully lock in and backtest this weekend. Welcome, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how crazy this week went, and I'm going to show you why I just decided to go back to the drawing board and backtest my trading strategy. Let's get onto the screen. So this is the first trade I took this week. This was a break-even trade. This price was going really well after I entered around this area. After a while, I took, because I set 1-to-1 I set break even at 1-to-1, so I was unable to tap me out after I set break even though it went straight for stop loss. I think break even saved me there. Now the second trade, this is the second trade that actually took me into drawdown. Now I'm 2k on the account. This trade, I actually set this price, this area, to enter long from this area. Look at this. My stop loss was just 30 pips from here. I was targeting 3-to-1, even though I usually target 2-to-1, but it does not matter because I set the trade and just started flying. Did not even come back to tap me in. So after that, I just forget to close the trade. After I just stopped me out for stop loss here. Crazy. Then on Friday, I think I just got another break-even trade on Friday. This trade right here, I entered around this area, just went up and I said break even at 1-to-1 again, as I usually do, and this trade just tapped me out for stop loss, or for break even here. So that was it. That was just it. I just went on to backtest my trades. That was the only thing I could do. That was the best option I had. After backtesting my most traded strategy, which is silver bullet strategy. It's an ICT strategy, because my main strategy has just been going crazy because of the market movements lately. I just said I should just backtest silver bullet mostly. I'm just 40% on that account, 40% win rate. It was really good. I just used ChatGPT to muster up a good result. Check this out. This is it. With 200 on a $500 account, I had this result. Let's look at this. This was this was total trades of 20 trades. That was it. That was the data I backtested it on that 20 trades. A total of 8 wins, 3 losses, and 9 break-evens. See, breaking even is really important for me because as the trade hits 1-to-1, I'm setting my break-even. So automatically, breaking even is a winning trade for me. Disregarding everything, breaking even is a win trade for me. As long as I've set my break-even, I'm winning on that trade. Even if it takes me out, I know I won on that trade. So this is a win rate of 40% on a $500 account. This will get me $269, which is 53.8%. A really profitable trade. Look at this. Average profit per trade is $13.4. I just tried this and just check if it will be profitable to trade this strategy, to trade with a prop firm challenge. And just look at this data. Look at this. On 20 trades on a $10,000 account. I currently have a $10,000 account that I'm trading. So this data is based on that, to just test out if I'm going to be able to use it for that prop account. This is 20 trades, 8 win also, same win rate. Look at this, 10%, and I'm only supposed to make like 5% on that $10,000 account. So that's really good. I actually tried it with this. Okay, I tried it with the 2k account. That was for the 2k. This is for the 10k account. Just look at this, 40%, and I can make 1/6. 1,600. That's 16%. $80 per trade. It's a really profitable strategy, and this following week I'm going to be trading it massively. I want to try to backtest all my other strategies. I have like 2 more that I trade, but I only trade just basically the 1 hour push and the silver blade strategy. These are the 2 that I trade mostly. The third one is just for fancy there, but yeah, that's it, guys. If you watch it, just like the video, subscribe, follow me for more. Catch you later.